So I have this amazing presentation that I put together specifically for you. My name is Colleen Olivas with the Brandon Drew Group. And there are a lot of people in California that have been impacted recently by disasters, by fires. And so I wanted to get information out there more because people just don't even know that this program exists and how beneficial this program can be to really get someone's life restarted after you've experienced being a part of such a disaster. So I'm going to go through the slide today, and I'm just going to tell you what an FHA 203H program is. So this is a government-backed mortgage program, and this has been around for a long time. And what this does is it helps people in a designated disaster area. So if you are in a designated disaster area, whether you own a home or rent a home, this program is definitely for you. It's specifically to get your family started and into recovery. So some of the key benefits are that number one, you have 100% financing. So what does that mean? That means that your home could be inhabitable right now and you don't have anywhere to go or know what to do. Maybe you're staying with family, maybe you're staying with friends, maybe you're in a temporary rental. This allows you to purchase another home with 100% financing for a primary residence. Closing costs can be covered through different assistance programs from seller contributions. There are ways to get into your home with 100% financing and even get closing costs covered. What is very important is if you currently own a home that is impacted, your current mortgage payment is not counted against you. So I hear a lot of people saying they don't know where to start, they need assistance, and they can't get qualified for anything because they have this mortgage payment that's looming. With this program, it allows us to exclude that payment in your qualifying debt ratio. What does that mean? It means that, let's say as an example, you had the $4,000 a month mortgage payment. You think you're not going to qualify for another mortgage payment. We ignore that $4,000 completely and qualify you as if you do not have a mortgage payment. Who qualifies? Your home that you currently resided in will have to be in a declared disaster area. It must be destroyed or severely damaged. The applications must be submitted within 1 year of the disaster declaration. So it's very important that as you're going through this, I know this is like a complete new way of life, and it's probably very difficult to get acclimated and adjusted to whatever you're going through. But you have to keep in mind that if you're wanting to start and rebuild your life completely, you are going to have to apply for this mortgage within that 1 year period in order to be able to take advantage of it. How to apply. Number one step, find an FHA approved lender. That's us at the Brandon Drew Group. We are here to support you. Again, we are completely empathetic to your situation. And if you are ready and wanting to do this, we want you to know that there are options. I think a lot of people are fearful to get out there and share this information because it's a very sensitive time and none of us are going to understand exactly how you feel and exactly how your family was impacted, but we want you to know that you do need to get started with an FHA approved lender. You'll have to submit your application within 1 year of that time frame, provide all of your documentation to show that you do have a claim filed. So there had to be some sort of claim filed, whether it was insurance or whatever the case was, we do need evidence of that. Why does it matter? So why is this program so significant? I've had a lot of people tell me like, oh my goodness, they're going through so much. You don't want to push them to buy a house. I do not want to do that. I want everyone to understand that you have options and that you can start purchasing or rebuilding your life. We want to make sure you get through this with as minimal financial hurdles as possible. We know that this is very difficult and really just want to be a resource and support for you to get through this. Take action today. So again, you have that 1 year period, so it's very important that you do get started. So here is a link. You can actually download this QR code or scan this QR code, I apologize, and you can get started with your application. I want you to know that we are going to fully hold your hand the entire way through this process. This is very important for you to understand the steps that you need to take, and we're here to support you at the Brandon Drew Group and Rate. So please reach out, and even if you're not ready today, reach out so that we can start preparing you. Or if you know someone who's been impacted, share this information with them because they could be stuck not knowing who to ask, where to go, or what to do. And we want to make sure to get them all of the resources that are available to them. So thank you so much for watching this presentation. And please message us if you have any questions, but let's just work on getting you qualified and getting you prepared for your next home.